How to see who has viewed your TikTok profile? Well, in this video, we will learn who has viewed your TikTok profile. So to get started, first thing we need to do is that you have to open TikTok from your mobile phone, whether it is Android or iPhone. You want to go to your profile, and to do that, you have to click on the profile icon in the right bottom of the app. Now your profile is opened. Once you get to your profile, next to your name you will see an icon. Go ahead and select that. Then as you can see, they have a tool called profile views. We have to enable this in order to see who has been viewing your TikTok profile. So keep in mind that if you turn this on, other people who have turned this on will be able to see that you viewed their profile. However, there is a limitation that you can only see people who have turned this on. So if someone visits your profile without this turned on, it will not show you that they viewed your profile. Alright, here we will click on turn on option to see who has viewed our TikTok profile. And now anyone who has viewed your profile will show up under here under profile views.